Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Honda remote key fob. What we need to do first is remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. We do that by sliding over this little catch here, which releases the blade out of the bottom. Now what we need to do is I'm going to get a little screwdriver. You can use whatever you want, but in between these 2 points here, just pop the blade of the screwdriver in like so and give it a twist, and it releases the two halves of the case. Just be very careful not to dislodge any of the buttons on the other side because they can pop out. Now get your screwdriver again and just underneath the battery, just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up, and we just click it back in place. And we just pop the blade back into the bottom. And there you go, it's all done.